What proportion of investment in equity would be ideal? Should I look to increase my equity allocation despite risk involved? We have our industry expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please help us understand equity market in a better perspective?
I think this is an opportunity which you should keep in mind that when we talk about equity market versus traditional instruments, the only thing for India, if you look at how Indians have invested, if you look at and this is pretty true for most of the Indian investors. If you look at their total investment or total wealth, most of the people you will say almost 50-60% is invested in property, real estate. 15-16% would be in gold. And if you are a South Indian, then there is a traditional attachment or cultural connect which is there that you should invest in gold. So 15-16% is invested in gold. 15% is in fixed deposit of banks. And insurance would be around 6%. But the only point is, if you look at here in the left side graph, equities, the equity markets, people are only hardly invested 4.5 or 5% of their total wealth. When you start with your exercise, look at the total assets and total liabilities. When you look at total assets, look at how it is distributed. Are you too much invested in property, gold, silver, which may grow at a very simple pace? But you need to have horses. Like in a race, we say that you need to have a very fast horse also to ensure that you are moving much faster. Right? So it's like, I'll give you an example. When the road is smooth, you can go at a pace of 80 or 100 kilometer per hour. But when the road is choppy, you have to go at a speed of 40 or 50 kilometers. So when India is doing very well, India's story is picking up very well, you should have good amount invested in equity so that you can accelerate your overall portfolio. And you should have adequately in, let's say, gold, bank deposit, property also, so that in choppy times, it will protect your wealth. So I'm not against property or gold, silver. The only problem is having such a big allocation to, let's say, property, gold, or bank deposit. You should have slightly bigger position to equities because it is the one which can give you a much better inflation adjusted returns over a long period of time. Equities is the only component which is more attached to India growth story, and we believe very strongly in India growth story. So please look at your complete graph that where all you have invested and how much percentage is dedicated to equity markets.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.